Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to do affiliate marketing as a creative without being salesy in a classy way that doesn't lose your audience and make them feel like you're just selling to them, but you still get that passive income of affiliate work. The problem is that many creatives want to have a regular income from affiliate marketing, but don't know how to do it in a classy way. They worry they're becoming too salesy and it's going to ruin their brand. The flip side here is that having a regular income from affiliate payments can take the pressure off of your creative work so you can find your style and build a sustainable business that you love. If you are sharing authentically and talking about products you actually use, affiliating can be a classy and beneficial act for both parties. So I wanted to just start out by busting that myth that being an affiliate is trashy or it ruins your brand. It is simply not true. It is a way for you to share information with people who are asking for it and for you to get paid in the meantime. Even if you don't have a huge following, you can still start earning commissions by recommending the products you already use and love. I'm going to show you how I got started with affiliate marketing and how I started making a full-time income just from my affiliate marketing through my blog. So let's dive into it. I'm Liz Kohler Brown. I'm a service designer and hand letterer who loves helping people find their style and sell their work. So let's start out talking about the concept behind affiliate marketing so you can understand the whole concept before we dive in. First of all, why does this work for artists specifically? I think there is a trust factor. Artists can naturally share their tools and supplies with peers and followers without seeming salesy. It also aligns with the creative community. People want authentic recommendations. They want to know about materials that you've held in your hands and used, and so they're happy to get that information from you. There's also this flexibility factor. You can do it alongside selling your art, teaching, and running a shop somewhat seamlessly if you're doing it right. It's also very scalable and it can be a long-term income. One link can keep generating income over time for years. I have a few blog posts on my blog that I did years ago and they just randomly get affiliate sales all the time. And I always think, what if I didn't do that blog post? What if I didn't put that link out there? I wouldn't be getting that regular income from that post. So you start early, you start getting your SEO through your blog, your social media, it builds up over time, and then you get this long-term effect, which is wonderful for an artist to just be sitting and drawing and enjoying your drink and say, oh, I just got paid. So here is my exact affiliate strategy. I'm not holding anything back. This is exactly what I did. I started sharing through my blog posts, through Facebook groups, and through Instagram. I also just did casual mentions when someone asked. I would reply to a comment and tell them to go to the link in my profile. I also made the rule that I would only increase my affiliate marketing if it was working. I didn't want to keep putting time into this thing if it wasn't doing anything for me. And I also outlined some products that I loved and used already, like my iPad pencil grips, my iPad. I had this desk that moved up and down that people were always asking about. And then I had my own classes that I was affiliating for as well. So if you teach on a platform like Skillshare, you can use their affiliate program. There are so many different affiliate programs, and a lot of companies don't even advertise them. So in a minute, I'm going to tell you what my favorite ones are, but first, let me show you my affiliate income. May 2018 was the very first year that I decided to do affiliate links. I put a few of them on my blog and I actually made $10, which at the time seemed really awesome. Then in June, I did a few more and I made $190 and I thought, that's kind of weird. It actually seems like it's working. July, $270, August, $290, September, $480, October, $540, November, $630, December, $760, January, $1350, February, $1570, And then this one absolutely blew my mind, August 2780. I was so surprised because I had put very little work into this side of my business. It was literally a few blog posts, I think maximum like 15 links out there on the internet. It was a few blog posts, a few LinkedIn profiles for like my YouTube and Instagram, and I didn't have a big audience. I was literally just learning about what are hashtags, how do I track my traffic, what even is traffic. I was literally just learning the basics, and then I was seeing this income come in that was turning out to actually be more than what I had made from my full-time desk job that I hated. So I was kind of feeling stupid. I was like, how many years did I work in a job I hated making this amount of money? And now I put a few links on the internet and this is like just coming in regularly. It completely blew my mind. So who is listening to this and is getting tired of getting paid only when they work? I kind of had that realization in about 2018 that I could put things out on the internet and that would give me money and I wouldn't have to have a regular full-time job. Once I unlocked that part of my brain, it was impossible for me to ever go back to working a regular job, because you realize, you can put these links out there, whether you're making your own work and selling it or whether you're advertising other people's products. If you just show up every day and keep putting the stuff out there, that income will grow. So here are some affiliate programs that I've used that I really love and believe in. For example, when it comes to art supplies, we have Blick Art Supplies, Arteza. We have digital tools and software like Canva and Creative Market. We have equipment and tech like the iPad, the Apple Pencil, microphones, cameras. There's a lot of different platforms you can advertise those on with affiliate links. And there's also some niche ones like fabric printing sites, POD companies, and Etsy. In the end, it really comes down to, what do you actually use? I don't think it's a good strategy to try to figure out what to affiliate for. I think you just need to look around your desk, look around your room, look around your life, and see what you're already using that you could literally just pick up and say, hey, I use this and here's a link to it. That is the way to do it in a way that's authentic. I mean, people were already asking me, where do you get those pencil grips? Where do you get your iPad case? I really want to know. So when I give them that link, they're happy to get it. It doesn't feel like I'm begging them, hey, please buy this iPad case. I don't care if you buy it or not. I'm not going to try to force you to buy it, but I am going to give you that information if you ask for it. I actually made you guys a PDF that is my top affiliate programs for artists and designers. These are the programs that I think are so beneficial for creatives who are, or maybe not yet, selling their work, maybe even selling classes, maybe doing some tutorials here and there, or just being an artist in your studio and showing your process. These are some of my favorite affiliate programs that I think are the most beneficial for artists. One of the biggest reasons I'm getting so excited about affiliate programs right now is because I just created my own affiliate program for my membership, The Studio. So if you have ever been a member, if you've ever watched my classes, if you love my YouTube tutorials, think about if you would like to share The Studio or my freebies with your audience and get paid to do it. That's all you have to do is tell them, hey, I checked out these classes and enjoyed them, and here's a link to it. So whatever affiliate program you want to go with, here are some tips for how to share your links. First of all, teaching content like tutorials, classes, blog posts, YouTube videos, and reels. Also behind the scenes stuff like studio tours, what's in my art bag, and reviews and comparisons like my favorite gouache sets for beginners. You can also do some great resource lists. These are great for SEO, like my top 10 tools for surface pattern design. And of course, casual mentions, like I use this brush set, link below if you want to grab it. There are so many different ways to use your affiliate links, and you can put them in the link in your profile, you can put them on your blog. Rather than having like a link tree, you could have your own page on your website that's your link and profile. Or if you don't have a website yet, you can just make your link and profile an affiliate link. That's fine to do when you're just starting out. Let's talk about some essentials for being an affiliate. First of all, we always need to disclose clearly that we are an affiliate. That is an FTC guideline. We cannot get around that. And of course, always recommending what you genuinely love and use. This builds long-term trust with your audience and prevents someone coming back to you and saying, hey, this product was terrible. Why did you advertise this to me? Also, starting small. Don't overwhelm yourself with 20 programs at once. Start with one, and then if that works well, add another later. I also recommend tracking what works. Most platforms give analytics to show you what is working and will give you little updates about what links are being clicked. You can also combine this with your existing content rather than creating forced sales content. For example, if you've ever done a blog in the past or you have a mailing list, you can just start popping those links at the bottom of your mailing list emails or pop it into a blog. Whatever it is that doesn't necessarily make you create a lot of new content or make it feel like this is a post just for affiliate stuff, it makes it a little more natural and more seamless. Some common mistakes that I've seen people make is joining too many programs and diluting their focus. They're trying to affiliate for 20 different companies, and then people feel like they're just being affiliated to. Of course, not disclosing that can cause you to lose trust and even cause legal issues. And then linking to random products just for higher commissions. I think as long as we're affiliating in a way that we would want someone to do to us, we're probably doing well and keeping it classy. So let's talk about an action plan for becoming an affiliate. First of all, list out the products or tools that you already use daily. This should be pretty easy. It's probably already laying around your desk. Step 2, check if they have an affiliate program. It's usually in the website footer, but you might have to do a little searching to find it. Step 3, apply to 1 to 3 programs to start. You don't want to start huge, just a little bit here and there. And incorporate those links into your next piece of content, whether it's a social media post, blog post, YouTube video, whatever you're already doing, just integrate it into that next post. And then over time, you will refine and scale. You're not going to get it perfect the first time, but over time, you will get better and better at doing it seamlessly in a way that feels natural. I hope that the key takeaway here for you is that affiliate marketing is about sharing what you love with your community, not making up reasons to share. I think people can really feel our intentions. And if they feel like our intention is to get them to just click that affiliate link, they're not going to want to watch our video, watch our posts, look at our work. What they want is to feel like they're having a real human connection and like they were asking a friend, hey, where did you get that dress? Oh, I got it at this company. Check it out here. It feels natural. It doesn't feel forced. So remember that we now have a studio affiliate program for my membership. You have an invitation to get paid to share about the classes inside the studio. Affiliates get 30% commissions for 1 entire year, monthly payouts, graphics and copy, and bonuses. So remember, you can grab that freebie below, affiliate programs for artists and designers, where you can learn all about the best programs that have the best terms for artists, so you can choose one that really aligns with your style. It's question time. This question says, this is a question I've been thinking about a lot. I've been a traditional artist for a long time, and last year I started working digitally as well. I've been worried about having to choose one side, whether I should be 100% traditional or 100% digital. Your idea that our artistic voice makes us artists, not a specific art medium, really resonates with me. I even felt relieved when I heard that. I've recently realized that I enjoy drawing flowers traditionally, while I prefer to create children's illustrations digitally. And I also think that understanding traditional media helps achieve traditional-like when working digitally. I'm curious to know what you think about combining traditional and digital illustrations in a single licensing portfolio. I love this question, and I think so many artists are thinking about this right now. As AI comes on the scene, we don't necessarily want our work to look like sleek AI art. We want our work to look different and real and gritty and emotional. So I think incorporating some traditional elements into your work helps. And I have another video on that, you guys, that Mary is is referring to here. If you haven't checked that out, check it out on the link below. So Mary, to answer your question, I do think that you can definitely combine traditional and digital in your portfolio. The key is you need some kind of unifying element. So the unifying element for some people is color. They use the same colors everywhere. For some people, it's texture. They use similar textures in different places, or the way that they draw their characters, or the way that their flowers look. It's more of a feel, and that can be color and contrast and things like that, than it is a material. Really, I think one artist could use a lot of different materials and it would all look the same if they apply some kind of unifying element. So you might start thinking about, what is my unifying element? Do I use the same colors all the time, or do I use the same themes or textures, or something that brings it all together for your clients or potential licensing partners that find your work? So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you liked it, you might also like the 0 to 10K in your art biz video and the only print-on-demand platform that shows you what's selling. Both of these will help you make more income in your creative business so you can spend more time making art and less time worrying about money.